Sir, are you there? Yes, sir, yes. No, sir, you're not audible. So I want to I want to ask the audience, how was your Sunday? Like it is a weekend after all. Yes, sir. Now you can speak.
First of all, thank you very much for inviting me in your webinar. Am I audible?
Yes.
My voice is coming properly?
So how are you, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. So how are you, sir?
I am absolutely fine. How about you?
I'm also fine, sir. How was your day?
My day was pretty tiring because there is some work going in my home. That's why I am tired right now a little bit.
I hope you are all healthy and well, sir, and your family too.
Yes, I am healthy and my family is also well. Thanks for your concern.
So, so I want to say to all the listeners, get ready with your questions and open up all your ears. And it is going to be an amazing session. And stay with us throughout the journey. And it's going to be the most precious hour of your day, or I must say, the whole week. Just let me know in the comment at the end. So, sir, can you tell our listener about yourself a little bit?
I am a YouTuber. I make video about bikes and review them. I am basically a motoblogger. I also create content about fitness and my blogging equipment. And also I belong to a beautiful city called Jhansi, which is famous for Jhansi Ki Rani. And in my YouTube channel, I have a series called Discovering Jhansi with SSB, where I explore different places of Jhansi. I also represented my city in district level and won a gold medal in kickboxing. Right now, I'm doing BTech CSC from LPU, and I'm also a 90 plus scorer in 10th and 12th. This was a short introduction about myself.
That's amazing, sir. So, sir, I want to ask you very like most of the important question right now. I think in this time, how was your pandemic?
To be honest, pandemic was amazing for me. I learned many new skills in pandemic. I started weight training and my YouTube channel in pandemic only. I also brought a new bike, which was one of the happiest moment for me. This pandemic has given me a chance to improve my skill set and add new skill in my personality. Rather than watching movies and playing video games, I utilized this time and convert my pandemic into something fruitful. I kept on improving myself throughout the pandemic.
Okay, that's so great, sir. Sir, I want you to tell our listeners about kickboxing, like in brief.
Kickboxing is really an amazing sports. I love kickboxing too much. The main reason I love kickboxing because it gives makes you mentally and physically fit and gives you a very balanced physique. See, there are certain rules in kickboxing, like punches
Mm.
and kicks are allowed, as name suggested, and each of them contains some certain points, and you have to score 10 points to win a match. There are three rounds in a match. Each one of them is of 1 to 3 minutes and depend upon your level, like district and state level and professional level matches have different rounds. They have more rounds. So, and elbows or knees are not allowed, they are prohibited. It counted as a foul, and you can win the match by scoring the points, and you can win by totally knocking out your opponent. And I think most of our audience know what is a knockout.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I believe they know. So, sir, why did you choose this field? Like, why only kickboxing? Why not any other sports?
Actually, when I was a child, I love fighting and I want to become stronger. Actually, I am a big fan of Goku, which is a protagonist of a great series called Dragon Ball Z, and he motivates me a lot, and I want to become like him. He's never give up spirits. That's why I choose a combat sports rather than a normal sports because it will give me that aura, that feel that will make me strong.
Yes, I myself am a big fan of Dragon Ball Z. So I believe you are from Jhansi, right?
Yes, I am from Jhansi.
So like from being that city, like what struggle do you have like in by pursuing this field?
Struggle like living in Jhansi or kickboxing.
Yes, sir. Or any other like in your journey of this.
See, Jhansi is a small city and you can't find a variety of resources in Jhansi. There are very
Yes, sir.
limited resources that are available in Jhansi, especially when you have to buy something unique, you have to order it from a big city like Delhi and Lucknow. These are 3 to 400 kilometers from Jhansi. And in my kickboxing journey, there are some certain problem because of limited resources, but I never let them be obstacle in my path. And also there are not that much great trainers and certified center which can teach you about kickboxing. There are some government coaching centers and you know how they operate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely. We all know.
So these are the little problem that I faced.
Oh, okay, sir. So I want to ask you, like, what are your career goals with this field or like your blogging field or like in your academic field? What are your career goals?
I have some specific career options in my mind. Like in YouTube, I want to be really want to be a great motovlogger so that I can travel the whole world in my bike and show my audience how the world look like when you travel via bike and let them enjoy my vlogs. And for my fitness journey, I want to win some men's physique competition and achieve really good physique so that I can make myself proud. And as I told you before that I am doing BTech CSC, so let's see what job I will get. But to be honest, I am not interested in this field that much. I am just doing my degree as an alternative career option. So let's see. वैसे मेरे गोल थोड़े डिफरेंट ही है ऐसे इंडियन पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं अगर लड़का होगा तो मतलब इंजीनियर बनेगा और लड़की होगी तो डॉक्टर सो आई really have some unique career option in my mind and I will try my level best to achieve all of them.
That's really amazing, sir. So want to ask you, like, have you ever set any milestone like my first goal is to reach this level and then I will be going for like this level?
Yes, I always make some small goals for myself like जैसे कहते हैं ना कि small मिलाते जाओ और large बनाते जाओ तो मैं इसी principle में work करता हूँ अपना. I always set
Yes,
some
sir.
small goals like in my weight training I want that I will achieve this weight, then I will go further. And also in my YouTube channel, first I have a milestone to reach 1,000 subscribers, then 2,000, then 5,000, then keeps on increasing them is my goal.
Okay.
Some certainty is there,
Yes, yes,
and
sir.
also you have to be very focused
Yes,
in
sir.
your goals, in your small goals, because यही चीज़ें आपको जाके बहुत बड़े लेवल तक रेस करती हैं. That's how I do things and that's my style.
Yes, sir, absolutely. So I want to ask you, like in kickboxing, if anyone is starting like beginning their career in kickboxing, what would we like to them like what should precaution should they take like playing kickboxing?
See, for beginners, I advise that kickboxing is just a sport depend upon your stamina, that how much you can bear pain and how strong you are. And timing is also a very important factor in kickboxing. So, for beginners, I suggest them to start working out 1 month before entering into the sports because it will help you to increase your
Yes,
strength and your speed as well as your stamina. And combining it with a good diet will give you a boost in your kickboxing journey. because in a ring you can't last 1 or 2 minutes without having a good stamina. That's why I suggest them to do workout,
Yes, sir.
some basic workout, not that heavy workout,
So
so
what?
that you can
Okay, sir.
keep on
So continue, sir.
practicing your kickboxing moves. And workout give you strength to bear pain, because if someone punch you, it hurts a lot. And for many days, I myself got hurt many times by practicing and playing match in
Yes,
a ring. So that's my normal advice for a beginner
yes,
to get stronger before entering into this sport.
yes, sir. Like I would like to ask you if like you say it really it really hurts bad. What would be like advice to like a recovery technique from it? Like any other physical injury or something?
Recovery technique, just use an ice pack when it
Okay,
hurts.
okay.
They are not that recovery technique, like your diet is your biggest weapons against your pain, because it
Yes,
will help you to recover, your body to recover in a great speed. And some people take steroids that I will never recommend to anybody. Just you can use a ice patch or a
so
pain
yes, sir.
relieving spray that might help.
So like we all know, morning routine is the like great part of our like way to the physical fitness. What would you advise like in morning routine?
Morning routine differs from person to person. I never suggest someone to wake up at 4 a.m. or at 9 a.m. I never suggest some certain time. If a person is getting a vibe, he or she might wake at 4 a.m. and
Yes,
any time. And if he or she is getting a vibe to do some certain work at midnight also, I suggest them to do that work at his or her time, because that's a comfort zone for them, so they can do things with their best.
yes,
But one thing I suggest to all in morning, that organize yourself, like when you wake up, make your bed sheet clean, make your sheet and organize stuffs around your bed. And this a small thing will help you a lot, and you yourself see difference after doing these things, that you are getting more organized day by day. See, this is the first organization that you do when you wake up, so you must make your bed before leaving your bed.
yes, sir. Absolutely correct. So like we know that diet is the most important part of being being physically fit. And our listeners want to know like what should be included in our diet and what should be avoided.
See, diet also differ from person to person. Like if a person want to gain weight or to lose weight, they have some different diet plan. I already have a good diet plan on my YouTube channel, so you they can check out from there. And I have really given some good diet plans for them. For here, I will suggest you to add some vegetables, dairy product in your diet, like paneer, milk, and dahi. And if you are non-vegetarian, you can eat chicken, fish types of stuff, and you can replace normal oil with olive oil and sugar with honey. It will help you a lot, because sugar also destroy your body too much. Or if you want, if you insist, I will also share my diet plan, that what I take all day and how I will keep myself healthy.
Yes, sir. In brief, if you can.
I started my day with 1 glass of water. Then in breakfast I take 6 egg omelette, 4 egg whites and two
Yes,
egg
sir.
yolk with one banana. And after 2-3 hours I take two peanut butter sandwiches and two bananas. And for lunch I take dal, one katori of dal, rajma and chana, which are high in protein, and with some rice and
Yes,
chapati, and one katori of dahi. And before workout I take black coffee without sugar, and after workout I take protein shake with two banana. And for dinner I take same dal that I consume for my lunch, and with two rotis, of course 1 spoon of ghee, because ghee contains some good fat. And after that I eat 100 grams of paneer, which is high in protein. And I ended my day
sir.
with 1 glass of milk with 30 grams of jaggery. अब लोगों को लगेगा कि मैं दिन भर खाता ही रहता हूँ, बेसिकली मैं अभी मसल गेनिंग में हूँ, तो मुझे ज़्यादा कैलोरीज की ज़रूरत है, लाइक आई कंज्यूम 3000 कैलोरीज आर डे.
Okay. Thank you for sharing, sir. So our listener had a question like, will dry fruits help in like in our diet, and how much amount should we take?
Yes, dry fruits will exactly help you in your diet. They are very healthy. They are a rich source. They have rich source of protein and omega 3, like walnut. It's rich in omega 3. You can soak them in water and take them in the morning, and these are very healthy. You can take handful of dry fruit in one time. Like excess of anything is bad. Even a healthy food can
Okay.
harm you a lot if you eat
And
it in a
sir,
excess.
yes,
So we take it in a limit, like 20 to 40 30 grams in a time.
yes, sir, exactly right, sir.
And for better calculation, you can buy a food scale which can calculate your food. It's not that expensive, 3 to 400 rupees. You can buy it to improve your diet.
And yes, sir. Sir, my next question is like, what do you think should be avoided in our diet? Like, ये तो खाना ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
So you can take
Like,
anything. There are no restriction. I myself do a cheat day in Sunday. I eat plenty of junk food in Sunday like pizza, burger. But जो thing बिल्कुल नहीं लेना is that tobacco items like cigarette, hookah, and your gutka type of things. I think many of our generation don't eat gutka and that alcohol. तो ये तो लेना ही नहीं है. और जो हुक्के वगैरह का ट्रेंड चल रहा है आजकल वो बिल्कुल ही अवॉइड करो. See, in all these items, you can take alcohol 70 ml a month, but मैं ये suggest नहीं करता कि आप alcohol लें, but alcohol don't hurt you that much. And some all other things that you have to avoid is sugar. I myself took only 1 spoon of sugar a week. हार्ड होता है कंट्रोल करना, बट टाइम के साथ आप सीख जाते हो कैसे डाइट को कंट्रोल करना है. सो यही चीज़ें जो अवॉइड करनी है, लाइक शुगर अवॉइड कर लो, जंक फूड अवॉइड कर लो, एंड टबैको आइटम तो बिल्कुल छूना ही नहीं है.
yes,
बाकी संडे है, बढ़िया चीट करो, कुछ भी खाओ, एंड दैट्स.
yes, sir. So next question is from Saurabh. Like, how to strengthen the body? Overall stamina कैसे बढ़ाया जाए?
There are many things that you can do to improve your stamina, like you can include some cardio exercises like swimming, running, and cycling. They will help you a lot. And also, you can improve your diet. You can add dates, खजूर in your diet, like उनको रात को आपने पानी में डाला या दूध में डाला और सुबह पी लिया उसको. सो ये दो चीज़ें हैं जो ओवरऑल स्टेमिना बढ़ाने में बहुत हेल्प करती है, बिकॉज डेट विल इंक्रीज योर टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल, जो कि आपको काफ़ी मतलब पावरफुल फील होने में मदद
Yes, sir.
करेगा.
So then my next question is, what keeps you motivated for doing all this? Like for your YouTube channel, for being like physically fit.
The biggest thing that keeps me motivated is my fear to not be a normal person. It keeps me motivated. It helps me to push my limit beyond my level. So, and that's why I work really hard and always do some productive things and try to learn new skill sets. And my self beliefs also helps me a lot. जब होते हैं ना कि सब कह रहे कि तुम नहीं कर सकते और मैं ये काम कर दूं, that feeling motivates me a lot. That's why I always stay motivated because of my self belief and my fear.
So, yes, sir. Sir, one of our listener, Anshuman, have another question. Can we take glucose during summer? It's so sweet. Calories wise, you should take it or not.
Yes, we can definitely take glucose in summer, but in a limit, like 1 glass a day, because glucose will increase your insulin level, your blood glucose level. That's why you should take it in a limit. Or if you are taking more glucose, then you can drink milk with 1 spoon of cinnamon in it, means dalchini powder. It will help you to regulate your blood glucose level. Glucose is totally safe if you take it in a limit.
So, my next question is about, uh, can you tell our listeners about health myths? Like कि कोई कहते हैं कि ये खाने से ऐसा होता है जो आपको लगे कि नहीं ये असल ये ट्रू नहीं है, ये ऐसा लोग गलत गलत मानता है, लोगों में लोग गलत मानते हैं ऐसे.
See, there are many food myths that are prevailing in our society, especially in India. Like बहुत लोगों ने सुना होगा कि चावल खाने से मोटे हो जाते हैं, बादी हो जाती है, लोकल लैंग्वेज में लोग कहते हैं आलू से मोटे हो जाते हो. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कम खाओगे तो आपका वेट जल्दी लॉस होगा. सो दीज ऑल आर मिथ्स. इफ यू ईट लेस, it will also make you fat because it will मेक योर बॉडी ब्लॉट एंड वाटर रिटेंशन बढ़ जाता है बॉडी का। तो इससे आपको कोई कम खाने से वेट लॉस नहीं होता। और ऊपर से सबसे बड़ा मिथ है जो सोसाइटी में है, लाइक आपके एग्स को आप दूध के साथ नहीं खा सकते, आपको वाइट पैचेस हो जाएंगे बॉडी में। दीज ऑल आर मिथ्स। एंड डाइजेस्टिव फूड तो सबसे बड़ा स्कैम है जो लोगों को पता नहीं है। वाई वी कॉल देम डाइजेस्टिव? बिकॉज दे कंटेन मोर कैलोरीज देन यूजुअल, सो पर्सन विल ईट लेस, उनका पेट जल्दी भर जाए और वो कम खाए। दैट्स वाई इट विल कंटेन मोर कैलोरीज। सो लोग उसे ज़्यादा खाते हैं डाइजेस्टिव समझ के, तो अल्टीमेटली वो मोटे हो जाते हैं। सो दैट्स वाई यू शुड अवॉइड दिस टाइप ऑफ फूड। और ये सब मिथ्स है। लाइक प्रोटीन से रिलेटेड बहुत बड़ी मिथ है, इफ़ यू take protein shake it will harm your kidney. If your kidney is protein sensitive, then the protein you will take from normal food like milk and other dairy products like chicken, it will also harm as equal as the protein shake will harm your kidney. Protein shake is just a milk. 4 लीटर दूध से 1 चम्मच प्रोटीन बनाते हैं, दैट्स इट। सो यही सारी मिथ्स हैं सोसाइटी में, खासकर इंडिया में, और पता नहीं कौन फैलाते हैं।
सर our viewer wants to know like कोई कुछ ऐसी एक्सरसाइज जो वो घर पे कर सकते हैं, लाइक अब इन दिस पैंडेमिक मोस्टली लोग घर पे ही रहते हैं, तो क्या एक्सरसाइज है बीइंग अ फिजिकल फिट जो हम घर पे कर सकते हैं?
I myself started workout at home when I was in 8th class, and right now मुझे 5-6 साल का होम वर्कआउट का एक्सपीरियंस हो चुका है। सो यू कैन ऑलवेज रिलाई ऑन होम वर्कआउट फॉर योर बेसिक fitness. And 1 month back only I started training with heavy weights in gym. सो जिम में मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है, होम वर्कआउट मेरी फील्ड है। बट हाउ आई कैन शो यू होम वर्कआउट इन अ वॉइस कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग? You can understand this.
No worries, no worry.
But
सर
you can always Google home workout with Guruman. He really have some good content in his channel, and I also try my level best to make fitness series, home workout series, and you can check that out once it will be out.
yes. So like you have a YouTube channel. I want to ask like how you get the idea of creating a channel.
Sorry, pardon.
Like you have a YouTube channel, and how did you get the idea of starting a channel?
To be honest, I started my YouTube channel to overcome my fear of public speaking. I used to be an introvert person. मुझे public में बोलना बिल्कुल नहीं आता था. So that's why with the help of YouTube I start blogging. And in blogging it's all about speaking in public and how confidently you are talking. You can also watch my YouTube video and see my progress, how I spoke in my first YouTube video and how I speak right now in front of you. और मुझे लगता नहीं कि 1 साल पहले अगर ये इंटरव्यू होता मेरा तो मैं कुछ भी बोल पाता। बिकॉज ऑफ यूट्यूब आई इम्प्रूव्ड माई सेल्फ सो मच दैट राइट नाउ आई कैन
Yes,
स्पीक
sir.
इन
Yes.
फ्रंट ऑफ दैट मच अननोन पीपल। So these this is the main reason, and my second reason is that I want to be a great moto blogger. मैं काफ़ी लोगों के वीडियो देखता था यूट्यूब में, मोटो ब्लॉग्स देखता था, तो फिर मैंने सोचा वो भी ह्यूमन बीइंग है, मैं भी ह्यूमन बीइंग हूँ, तो सिर्फ देखूँ ही क्यों जब मैं खुद अपना मोटो ब्लॉग बना सकता हूँ जिनको दूसरे लोग देखें। So these are the main reason why I started my YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. So what do you think like this is a key to success? For being a success, one person should have this.
According to me, key to success is your attitude. You have to हैव अ यूनिक कैरेक्टर इन योर सेल्फ। आपको पता होना चाहिए आप क्या कर रहे हो। बहुत डिफाइन गोल होना चाहिए आपके दिमाग में। और वो कहते हैं ना, अगर 100 लोगों के बीच में खड़े हो जाओ तो अलग ही चमको। यू हैव दैट यूनिकनेस एंड यू शुड हैव दैट करेज टू गो लेफ्ट इफ
Yes,
100 पीपल इज गोइंग टू राइट। सो दीज आर द थिंग्स।
yes, sir. Well said. So I have a I have a unique question. Like, if you get a chance to tell something to your younger self, like from 3 to 4 years back, or like more than that, what will you tell you to your younger self?
It's really a unique question. Let me think about that. I really don't know what to say. Just wait for a while.
No worries, sir. Or any advice you want to give to a person younger to you, or who is starting a career, like in 10th grade or something.
The only advice I will give to my younger generation is to obey your parents, because your parents are everything to you. They know you better than yourself. उनको सब पता होता है आपके बारे में. They always think about your well-being and your benefits only. So पेरेंट्स लव इज अनकंडीशनल. तो वो लोग आपसे ज़्यादा कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करते भी नहीं है, बस एक अच्छा बच्चा बन के रहो अपने पेरेंट्स के सामने. वो उनको सब पता है आपके बारे में, आपको कैसे उन्हें ग्रो करना है. डोंट टीच देम हाउ टू ग्रो यू. सो आई ओनली रिक्वेस्ट यू टू डोंट disobey your parents, because if you stand along with your parents they will always stand along your side. even आप दुनिया में हर किसी ने सपोर्ट करना छोड़ दिया, फिर भी आपके पेरेंट्स आपके साथ होंगे आपको सपोर्ट करने के लिए. दैट्स वाई you always have to be a nice child of your parent, and make your parents happy, because ultimately they will make you happy. और मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि मैं बहुत
Yes, sir.
खर्चीला इंसान हूँ और मैं
Absolutely,
अपने
sir.
पेरेंट्स को खुश रखता हूँ, तो
So,
इसलिए वो कुछ ज़्यादा
वो
बोलते भी नहीं है. तो यही चीज़ें आपको ध्यान रखनी है हमेशा अपनी लाइफ में.
सर आई वांट टू आस्क यू, वो कौन से तीन लोग हैं लाइक हु इन्फ्लुएंस यू मोस्ट इन योर लाइफ?
वो तीन लोग मतलब जिनसे मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलता है.
उनको देख के आपके मोटिव, यस सर.
The number one person who motivates me a lot is my father. I learn hard work from him. I always saw him working really hard, hours to hours without any rest. जब उनको रात को 12 बजे साइट से फ़ोन आता था तो वो तब भी चले जाते थे. I saw his success journey. Actually, he is a mechanical engineer specialist in hydropower projects. So I learn hard work from him. My second source of motivation, as I told you before, is Goku from Dragon Ball Z.
Yes,
I
yes,
learn never give up spirit from him, and always learn how to overcome from a problem that is bigger than you, how to surpass your previous level and push yourself beyond your limits. And my
yes,
third
sir.
motivation is myself, my self belief. I always believe on myself. मैंने पहले ही बताया कि ऐसे लोग बोलते हैं कि तुम नहीं कर सकते हो, वो
Yes,
मैं
sir.
कर लेता हूँ काम. So that's why my self beliefs help me a lot to do some certain works, and these are the three things which motivates me a lot.
Yes,
My father, गोकू, my self belief. और सिर्फ इन्हीं तीन चीज़ों में मैं हमेशा रिलाई करता हूँ.
well said, sir. So I would like you to like लोगों को अपने listeners को बता दीजिए कि आप if they want to find you where they can contact you, like your YouTube channel or your Instagram.
You can contact me via my Instagram account and my YouTube channel. See, my YouTube channel is Siddharth Sen Blogs. There is space between Sen and Blogs, and my Instagram page is also with the same name, Siddharth Sen Blogs without any space. I will also put my Instagram ID in comment section. You can check it from there. So if anybody of you want to contact me, you can contact me
Okay,
from
sir.
there.
Yes. So anything you like to say in the end? कुछ भी जो आपका बताना चाहें आप?
इन द एंड मैं बस यही बोलना चाहूँगा कुछ सर्टेन थिंग्स हैं लाइफ में दैट यू ऑलवेज हैव टू मेक कमांड ऑन, लाइक योर सेल्फ बिलीव. आपको हमेशा अपने ऊपर सेल्फ बिलीव होना चाहिए. यू रियली हैव टू हैव अ हार्ड वर्किंग स्पिरिट. अपने लक के ऊपर ज़्यादा डिपेंड नहीं करना, आपको अपना लक आपको खुद बनाना है अपने हार्ड वर्क से. सी आई एम नॉट अ लकी एंड अ टैलेंटेड पर्सन. देयर आर मैनी टैलेंटेड पर्सन outside who are not at par with me right now, बिकॉज मैंने उनके टैलेंट को अपने हार्ड वर्क से ओवरशेडो किया हुआ है. सो दैट्स वाई आप किसी को भी हरा सकते हो इस दुनिया में, बस यू हैव टू पुश योर सेल्फ रियली हार्ड. और एक चीज़ कभी आपको अपने दिमाग में नहीं लाने देनी कि यू आर द बेस्ट, बिकॉज देयर इज समवन हु कैन try more harder than you and beat you when you will face him. So that's why आपको ये एटीट्यूड नहीं लाना अपने दिमाग में कि आप सबसे बेस्ट हैं. सो बस यही थी लास्ट थिंग जो मैं कंक्लूड करना चाहूँगा. अपने ऊपर सेल्फ बिलीफ रखें और हार्ड वर्क इज़ द की.
ओके सर. एज वी आर एट द एंड ऑफ आवर सेशन, मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगा सर, मिस्टर सिद्धार्थ सेन, फॉर बीइंग अवर गेस्ट, एंड थैंक यू टू दिस लवली ऑडियंस. Without you it wouldn't be possible. And in the end, thank you Leher application for giving us this great platform, and and also Jankar for giving me the opportunity and organizing this event. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. I'll take your leave. Thank you, sir.
Thank you too for inviting me in your session.
Thank you, sir. You can leave now.